So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to tweet out a thread on Threads. So once you have Threads open up on your device, go to whichever post you want to add to a tweet. So I'm just going to go to the search bar right here, so the bottom left, pressing on the magnifying glass. I'm going to go to where it says search, and how about I search up the account Instagram. Seems pretty fitting for this video. I'm going to go to where it says Instagram right here. Now, once you're on this screen, if I wanted to tweet out this thread, for example, so this latest thread, I can press on the thread. I go to this bottom option here, so right below the thread, there's 4 different options. There's the like button, the comment button, the reshare button, as well as the send button. Press on the send right here, so press on this arrow. Then go to where it says share via, press on share via, then go to Twitter, and there you go. That is how you guys can tweet out a post on Threads, or I guess tweet out a thread on Threads. I hope this video helped.